can't you say you torture me? And you're already thinking about someone else. Hey. When it comes home, you'll be in his arms and I'll be gone. But I know my day will come. I know someday I'll be the only one. So now you wait for a spark, you know it'll turn you on. He's gonna make you feel the way you wanna feel. When it starts to lie, when it makes you cry, you know I'll be there. My day will. Now you want perfection, I see self-destruction. You don't know what you want, it's gonna take you years to find out. I'm not giving up, but when you're bad enough, you'll take a bruise to the head and you'll come running back to me. You know that I'm gonna be the only one. Yeah!
Today is October 19th, 2025. I'm a quarter way into my senior year. This is the state of things. Pretty much all the time now. This is my second dummy book. Lots of notes and cutting and pasting things to fix anything that needed fixing. Move this whole thing over here after talking to my teacher. Yeah. I just got this poster from the print fair. I got to use the printer to put the black text on it. Anyways, this is my dummy file, and I basically blow this up on a tablet, like a display tablet, to either 1:1 scale or 1:2 scale of the final book, which is 7 by 10 inches. This is the most exciting part. They accidentally will follow you. The eyes. This is the dog. And oh my god. And they also have, this is my bag of stuff. These are, I have all the fire that goes by them. The doors come out. Really realistic giant fire. Some smoke. A hand. There's some hands. I carry all this stuff with me to school. And all this garbage. So to make these, I obviously cut them out, and then I pull this pencil through their faces to make a hole. I've put these Claritin, used Claritin packages into the back of their face, and these are the eyes. So then when you flip it over, they have eyeballs. And it's the same on all of them. Critique 3 is on Wednesday. Today is Sunday. And I wanted to have storyboards done. But right now, I'm over here. So this whole timeline means nothing now. That just means I have no plan now.
We're just a minor threat! Word shut. Minor threat! Word shut. Minor threat. Getting yelled at. Fireworks dead! Saying I'm happy when I'm not. Finding roaches in the pot. Oh, all these things I do. They're waiting for you. Bitch, just stay and walk away. Don't find another guy. 'Cause I keep on thinking you gotta give up sometimes. Yet the way she moves survive. Maybe start alright, yeah. Ethan on fucking guitar.